Hey folks, if you're looking to hack eFootball 2024, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you on how to unlock everything and get unlimited resources. Check it out. Right now, I've got a whopping 99k coins and GP. Keep watching to discover how you can score some fantastic goodies too. The best part? This trick works on both Android and iOS devices, so everyone can give it a shot. Hey everyone, great to have you back on the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share a game-changing tutorial with you. How to unlock unlimited coins and GP in eFootball 2024 using the eFootball 2024 mod. I've stumbled upon this incredible trick, and as you can see, my current balance is at 0. But that's about to change real soon. Now, before we dive into the magic, there are a few settings on your iPhone that need a tweak to ensure smooth process. If you have an Android, you're good to go. No need to tweak any settings, just move on to the next step. First off, head to your iPhone settings and hit up the General tab. In this section, toggle on the Background App Refresh option. This keeps your app content refreshed in the background, ensuring you're always up to date. Leave it enabled for Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and cellular data based on your preference. Moving on to the battery settings, make sure your phone isn't in low power mode. Now, one last check for iPhone users. Ensure your device is updated to at least iOS version 11. As you can see, my device is rocking the latest version, so we're all set. With these settings in place, you're ready to dive into the eFootball 2024 mod. Open your internet browser and go to oginject.vip. This website is your go-to for app injection and modded apps. Once there, use the search bar to locate eFootball 2024. Click on it and hit the Start Injection button. The injection process might take a few minutes, so I encourage you to be patient. Once it's done, give it a couple more minutes, and voila, your resources should be loaded. Now, let me hop back into the app and check if I'll receive my resources. Alright, I'm back in the game. Let's give it a moment, and you can see the resources are being added to my account. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support with a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video. Take care, and until then, goodbye.